In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax scrolling to your Wix website. Parallax scrolling is a great way to create a dynamic and immersive experience for your viewers, adding that professional touch which can draw them into your site content. Let's dive into the steps and get your site engaging and eye-catching with this simple yet effective feature. First things first, we need to open the Wix website. Make sure you're logged in and can access your account. Once you've opened Wix, go straight to your website that you want to enhance with parallax scrolling. If you have multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Now that you're in your website editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find key options to enhance your site's layout and features. Here, locate the option labeled Add Elements. This is your gateway to adding new visual components to your site. Click on this option and you will see various elements you can incorporate into your design. For our purpose, we'll focus on the strip element. Select it to begin adding a robust strip to your page, acting as the foundation of your parallax effect. Once you've added the strip, it's time to think about styles. Click on Styles to get creative with how your strip will appear. Choose a style that complements your site's theme and vision. This sets the tone for the vivid backdrop you're about to add. The next thing you'll want to do is click Change Background. This option allows you to select a background that will resonate with your content and capture your audience's attention. Whether you want something vibrant, serene, or edgy, your choice of background will play a critical role in setting the mood for your page. After you've chosen your desired background, you'll want to click on Animations and Effect. This is where the magic happens. Here, you get to add the parallax effect to your strip. Select the parallax option, which will add that compelling scrolling effect to your site, making elements appear to move at different speeds. This is a perfect technique to make your site more visually engaging and interactive, offering your visitors an experience that feels rich and layered. Once you're satisfied with the animations and settings, it's prudent to check everything over. Hit the preview button to see how the effect looks in action. Ensuring you've set up everything correctly is essential before going live. If you're happy with the results and everything looks just how you envisioned, it's time for the final step. Click on Publish to make your parallax scrolling live on your site. And there you have it. Your Wix website now boasts a sleek parallax effect. Enjoy the fresh, lively aesthetic that enhances the visual experience for anyone who visits your site. Remember, a well-crafted website can leave a lasting impression, and now you've taken a significant step toward making your site both modern and captivating.